The government doesn't want you to know this simple tool's secret. You use it constantly, almost unconsciously. It's an indispensable part of your toolkit. But do you truly know its remarkable origins? This humble device revolutionized repairs everywhere. Its journey from obscurity to ubiquity is fascinating. Prepare to discover the screwdriver's hidden history. Humans have always needed to join things securely. Ancient civilizations used pegs, wedges, and nails. Screws, surprisingly, appeared very early on. Archimedes invented the water screw around 250 BC. However, these weren't for fastening objects. Early fasteners were primarily for presses or pumps. True threaded fasteners emerged during the 15th century. These early screws were handmade and inconsistent. The first actual screwdrivers appeared in Europe. They likely originated in Germany or France. Initial designs featured a simple wooden handle. A flattened metal shaft fit into a slotted screw. Leonardo da Vinci sketched screw-cutting machines. This shows the growing importance of screws. Early screws were often unique to each craftsman. Standardization was still centuries away then. The Industrial Revolution demanded mass production. Machines now created screws with greater precision. The slotted head dominated for a long time. However, slotted screws frequently cammed out. They slipped, damaging both screw and material. In 1930, Henry F. Phillips patented his design. The Phillips head allowed better torque transfer. It revolutionized assembly lines, speeding work. Today, many screw head types exist globally. Torx screws offer superior grip, preventing stripping. Allen keys are essential for furniture assembly. Pozidriv heads reduce cam out even more efficiently. Each design solves a specific fastening challenge. From aerospace to tiny electronics, they're crucial. The screwdriver has evolved into many forms. It remains an iconic symbol of DIY empowerment. This simple tool holds a rich, complex past. From ancient ideas to modern marvels, it progressed. It silently empowers countless home repairs. Understanding its history deepens our appreciation. Every turn of a screw connects you to this legacy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.